Hi everyone, today I've got a quick tips about how to claim twice daily on GoodDollar app. You can see this one is the GoodDollar app. Now let's open and see options inside GoodDollar app. You can see here this is the claim button. One is shallow option, one is fuse option. In here to claim the shallow option, we need to make a shallow bridge, which is we need at least 1000 GoodDollar to make the bridge. After that we can claim both sides in the same time. For example, I will claim this both sides at the same time so that you will know the exact way. First of all, you can see here green tick. Green tick means this is selected to shallow side. First of all, let's claim the shallow side. Claim. You can see here 40.35 GS on the shallow side. Now let's claim it. Claiming. Let's go back. Now select to other side, fuse side. Green tick is on the fuse side. Claim again. You can see 45.89 GS is ready. Let's claim. So let's click OK and back. In this way you can claim both sides daily. So that's all for now guys. If you want to see more tips and tricks, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.